In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a rebroadcast of a pre-recorded video on Restream. This process can be incredibly useful if you want to simulate a live broadcast or share a previously recorded video across multiple platforms at once. So, let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First things first, head over to your Restream dashboard. This is your control center for all your streaming needs. Once you're there, the next thing you want to do is click on the option that says New Stream. This is where the magic begins and where you'll be setting up the rebroadcast of your pre-recorded content. Now you'll need to select whether you're going with a video or playlist or whatever similar option is available to you. By choosing this, you're letting Restream know that you're planning to use a pre-recorded file instead of going live in real time. That's the beauty of this feature. It gives you flexibility and control over your content while still maintaining the appearance of a live event. Next, select the video you'd like to rebroadcast. This can be a file that you've already uploaded to Restream from your previous recordings, or if you have something new, you can upload a fresh file directly from your computer or cloud storage. Take a moment to ensure the video you've chosen looks and sounds just the way you want it to, as this is what your audience will experience. Once your video is set, it's time to enter the details for your stream or event. You'll want to fill in the title and description, giving your audience a clear idea of what to expect. It's important to put some thought into this. Engaging titles and descriptions can pique the interest of potential viewers. Also, set the date and time when you wish the video to go live. This is essentially the moment when the playback should start for the viewers. Make sure to pick a time that works well for your audience demographics. The next step is to toggle on the streaming channels where you'd like your rebroadcast to appear. This could include platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, or any other destinations that you have linked to your Restream account. Tailoring your selections to reach the right audience can be key to maximizing engagement. If your Restream plan supports it, you might have the option to enable looping of the video. If this feature is appealing to you, enabling it will allow your content to play multiple times, which might be useful if you're trying to reach viewers in different time zones, or simply want the content to be more available. After you've got everything set up, all that's left to do is click Create Event, or whichever similar option is available. This step schedules your event. And voila! At the specified time, your video will stream across all the selected platforms, appearing to viewers as a live event. It's that simple. Now you're all set to captivate your audience with your rebroadcast.